village, in Igbo land, we don't use cutlass, hoe to clear grass. We use our hands. Watch me. Touch him out. Do away. Use our hand, yo. Tell me the party looks on now. Can you on that? My good friend.
Hey, you have to look after us, please. Okay.
Jesus.
What happened?
That's me at your mercy. Mommy, you can bite.
But should I cut it?
I know.
Hey.